You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation from Harry Potter. If you want to learn more names from the series, the books and the movies, stay tuned, I've got them all. I'll link to many of them at the end of the video. This one is a bit confusing. Phineas Nigellus. Phineas Nigellus Black. It's easy once you know. Phineas Nigellus Black, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.